This video is all about getting you prepared to use the 3DEXPERIENCE platform for a student competition. You'll learn how to take a project from ideation to completion with a team using the platform. Hi guys, I'm Whaley from the Workforce of the Future team here at Dassault Systèmes. In this video, we'll cover how to manage a collaborative project on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform for a student competition. First, we'll check out the challenge information. Then, we'll look over the dedicated learning experiences. Next, we'll talk about how to share and collaborate ideas with your team. And finally, we'll cover project management and data storage. Let's get started. To help you understand these different steps, we're going to follow a student team as they prepare for a challenge. Meet the team. We've got Jane, the team leader, Mark, the product designer, and Paul, the design expert. They want to use the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to build a race car for the Formula Student Electric competition. When they signed up for the Formula Student Electric, they received an email with a link to a dashboard on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform created uniquely for their challenge. It looks like Jane didn't land on the right dashboard. Don't worry, Jane, you can easily change dashboards with this drop-down menu. So, we're here with Jane on the dedicated Formula Student Electric dashboard. What is a dashboard? It's a central place where you can find relative information. In this example, that means all information concerning the Formula Student Electric Challenge. In the Challenge Information tab, Jane can find general information about the challenge, such as useful links, the challenge website, etc. In the Learning Experience tab, there are different learning modules to help Jane get to know the platform and are specifically selected for the challenge at hand. In the Communities tab, Jane can communicate with her fellow challenge participants through two different swim communities. The If We Challenge's Users Support community is there in case Jane or her teammates need any help throughout the challenge. The Hoth Formula Student Team community is private, just for her team to use. There are several different ways they can share information. They can post something, share a photo, propose an idea, or ask a question. It seems that Paul has an idea he'd like to share. As the community owner, Jane is the only person who can change the status of Paul's idea. There are 3 different stages for an idea like Paul's. It starts as an idea. If it's approved by the group, it becomes a concept. And then finally, as the project starts to mature, it becomes a project plan. Jane thinks Paul is onto something and wants to explore his idea. She changes it into a concept. To accelerate the process, Jane finds an external consultant on simulation via the Dassault Systèmes network. Meet Yannick. He is online, so Jane contacts him using the live chat option. She adds him to their dashboard so he can see their work and add feedback on his own. Yannick looks at the tubular chassis by dragging and dropping the file into the 3D Play app. Seeing the design in 3D allows him to examine it from all angles before giving Jane his expert opinion. Jane agrees with his idea and decides to put words into action by transforming the concept into a project plan. The final tab, the Project and Team Data, allows Jane to see just that, the project and all team-related data using different widgets, as seen here. The Inovia Collaborative Tasks widget allows Jane to assign tasks to her teammates and herself to ensure that the project is finished on time for the big race. She creates a task based on Paul's idea and assigns it to Mark with a specific due date. Mark automatically receives a notification alerting him of the new task and goes to his dashboard to take action. He changes the status to In Progress to show his teammates he's working on the task. After selecting the part in question in 3D space, Mark uses the west quadrant of the compass to open Part Design. Once he's finished the modifications, he transfers the task to the Done column to let his teammates know. There are two ways to store collaborative data on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform: the 3D Space widget, which you can see here, and the 3D Drive. Mark is going to use the 3D Drive to share a presentation with his teammates for a meeting tomorrow. He creates a folder using the drop-down menu and then adds the file. Now the entire team can access the document. 3D Drive is used to share and store files such as Word, Excel, and PDF. They can be organized into folders, which can be shared with others. 3D Drive can be synchronized with your computer, similar to Google Drive. 3D Space is used to store and share your 3D data. Rich apps like CATIA, Simulia, SolidWorks, and Innovia can be found here. To organize these files into folders, use Innovia Bookmark. Mark uses the right-hand click to take a screenshot of his work and shares it in the community. So that's it! To recap this video, we covered the different team dashboard tabs, including challenge information, learning experiences, the communities, and the project and team data. These resources will help your team excel at your chosen student competition. Do you already have one in mind? If not, check out the challenge page on our website to discover your next big project. Good luck!